The next important clause to understand in an APA is a termination clause. Now, you might be thinking that you don't care about having a termination clause because you're definitely going to buy the business no matter what. However, circumstances often change, and you never know what might turn up in due diligence or something else might happen where you can't buy the business or don't want to buy the business. So, you want to make sure that your APA has a termination clause that protects you and allows either party to terminate the agreement in certain situations. Some of the most common situations addressed in an APA termination clause are the following. First, termination by mutual agreement. If both parties agree to terminate the agreement should be allowed to terminate. This should go without saying, and there should be no dispute from either party about allowing this to occur. Second, termination by the buyer if the buyer is dissatisfied with the result of due diligence. This ground for termination is also usually pretty uncontroversial. However, sellers usually insist that due diligence be completed by a certain date, which is known as the due diligence deadline, so that buyers don't have an open-ended right to terminate the agreement at any time.